In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check what devices are logged into your Outlook Webmail account. This is an important step in maintaining the security and privacy of your email communications. Whether you're ensuring that there are no unauthorized devices connected or simply reviewing your own activity, this process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. Let's begin by navigating to the Microsoft Outlook web page. You can do this by typing Outlook into your browser's search bar or entering the URL directly if you have that on hand. Once you're on the Outlook homepage, you'll see the option to sign in. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your login details on the sign-in page. This is where you'll type in your email address or phone number that's associated with your Outlook account. Once you've done that, click on the next button to proceed. You'll usually be asked for your password next, so make sure to enter it carefully to avoid any login issues. After successfully logging in, you will find yourself on the Outlook dashboard. Here, you'll notice various icons and options. Direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a profile icon. Clicking on this will bring up a drop-down menu or possibly a new page where you can manage settings related to your account. From this menu, select My Microsoft Account. This will redirect you to another page dedicated to your Microsoft account settings. Here, you have access to a wealth of information related to your account. But today, we're focusing on connected devices. Once you're on the Microsoft account page, look for the Devices section. It's typically found in the toolbar or menu options. Clicking on the Devices option will lead you to a page displaying all the devices that are currently connected to your Outlook Webmail account. Here, you'll see a list of devices, including details such as the device name, type, and the last time they accessed your account. This allows you to verify which devices have been authorized to access your account. Take a moment to review the list carefully. If you spot any unfamiliar devices or activity that you don't recognize, it's a good idea to take action by securing your account further. This might include changing your password or removing access from devices you don't recognize. And that's it. You've successfully reviewed the list of devices logged into your Outlook Webmail account. Remember to periodically check your account for any suspicious activity to maintain your privacy and security online. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't hesitate to share it with others who might benefit from knowing how to keep their accounts secure.